Hi guys, my name is Arina. So today I'm going to show you how to make cabinet with drawer on top of your flip door. This is the example. Alright, so let's go to use by using a system function, system cabinet. So I have here two of my cabinet here. So in order to make the other drawer and cabinet, I take out the same carcass, which is universal cabinet without anchor. So I position it to this way, right? So this one I make it align to the next of my cabinet here, right? And this one, okay. In order to divide my drawer and also my flip door, so I add function part, which I'm using the plate type and 18mm plate standard function part. I'm using the layer panel here. I drag out to this one and to this one area. So here you can imagine this is going to be our drawer on top, but on the bottom we're going to make it as our flip door cabinet. So this one, let me position it nicely first. Alright, so by right we have two parts already. So go to this install door, but change to drawer. This one is our drawer. So when you click to the area, you will have in the material library where you can change to any drawer profile that you want. So here I will just do this one. Okay, so on the bottom I would make it as partial overlay, and then I click confirm. See, and then to make the other drawer, click to this area on the top of it. I'll change it to partial overlay, and I click confirm. So I have two drawer here. So in order to make flip door, change to door here on top of it and click to this area. And here I'm using to my right side, and then on top change to partial overlay, and I click confirm. Right, by right I have all everything is adjusted already. Exit installation, so you can test out by by pressing O on your keyboard. See, automatically you have your drawer and also flip door cabinet. Alright, that's all from me. Thank you.